everyone, welcome to Pabbly Chatflow. In this video, we are going to learn how to create a WhatsApp chatbot for your retail banking branch business. For example, you have a retail banking branch business in where your clients can explore loan services, get information about banking hours and facilities to directly communicate with banker. Responding each and every client manually is a time-consuming, also a very confusing task. To solve this type of problems, we are going to create a WhatsApp chatbot. It will create it with the help of Pabbly Chatflow so that whenever your client send a message to your WhatsApp business account, then your bot will respond to them automatically. To get more details about this, let me take you to my screen.
Welcome to my screen. Before starting the video of how to create a WhatsApp chatbot for your retail banking branch business, let me give you a quick review about how this bot will work and how this bot will respond to your clients instantly. By sending hi message in my WhatsApp business account of retail banking branch, hi, or instead of any message you can send, here I sent it a message. See, the bot will respond to me automatically. Welcome to Smart Bank, your trusted retail banking partner. We are here to make your banking easy, secure and right at your fingertips. How can we assist you today? While providing me 3 different options, that is loan services, branch hours and talk to banker. If I'll click on loan services, then you can see it will respond to me like this while providing me 3 different types of loans that they are offering to their clients, that is personal loan, home loan and business loan. If I'll click on personal loan, then you can see it will provide me all the details of personal loan including one button, that is talk to banker. If I'll click on this, then you can see it will provide me all the contact details. Now if I'll click on branch hours, then it will respond to me like this while providing me the timings and the location of this smart bank. So if you want to create this type of WhatsApp automated chatbot for your retail banking branch business, then you have to follow step-by-step direction that I am giving you in this video. So let's get started. At first, you have to click on a new tab and search pabbly.com/chatflow. Here you are landed on the official page of Pabbly Chatflow. Pabbly Chatflow is an all-in-one WhatsApp automation tool which helps us to automate our WhatsApp messages and responses 24/7 by creating WhatsApp chatbot for your different type of businesses. Here on the right hand side you can see 2 options are there. The one is sign in and the another is sign up option. If you are a new user, then you can click on sign up option. If you are an existing user, then you can click in sign in option. As I am an existing user, so I am clicking in this sign in option. Here you can see these are the all apps that Pabbly provide to their users. As we are creating a WhatsApp chatbot, so we will go in this Pabbly Chatflow box by clicking on this Access Now button. Here you are navigate on the dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow where you can see your credits allotted, your credits consumed, your credits remaining and the WhatsApp number added. With the help of this button, you can add multiple WhatsApp number to your Pabbly Chatflow account. By clicking on this, you can see it will provide you 2 options, that is WhatsApp Connect and Manual Token Connect. WhatsApp Connect might involve scanning a QR code or entering the phone number and verification code. The second one is the Manual Token Connect. When you click on this, then you can see it will ask you for the Meta Access token that you can generate from your Facebook Meta account for developer. Here you can also add multiple folders and in this home section you can see the status of the WhatsApp number that are added into your Pabbly Chatflow account. If you want a detailed video of how to add WhatsApp number into your Pabbly Chatflow account, then we have already created a separate video for it. I'll provide the link of the video in the description box. The second feature is the inbox in where you can store all the messages of your customer and respond to them by here also. You don't have to open your WhatsApp account again and again. The third one is the contact in which you can list off your WhatsApp contacts who interacted with your bot and you can see contact details, create segments, tag user, etc. The fourth one is the team queue in where you can assign incoming chats to different team members automatically. It will also help you to have a customer support team. The fifth one is the template. It is just like a pre-approved WhatsApp template. These are required for initiating a conversation if the customer has not messaged you first. The sixth one is the broadcast. It is used for sending bulk messages to many users at once and it is also used for promotion, announcement and updates also. The seventh one is the flow in where you can create multiple WhatsApp chatbot with the help help of Flow Builder. The eighth one is the AI assistant, in where you can train AI assistant with a knowledge base to answer common questions. The ninth one is the activity log, in where you can see all the events and the action you have performed within last 7 days. The 10th one is the settings and the 11th one is the get help. If you want to know more details about these features, then we have already created a separate video for it. I'll provide the link of the video in the description box. I am creating WhatsApp chatbot, so I'll go in the flow option. So this is the flow builder page where you can see a total number of flows, your active flows and your inactive flows. As we are creating a new WhatsApp chatbot, so I am clicking on this plus add flow button. So this is the starting point of your flow, but before this, first you have to give the name to your flow, that what you are creating. As we are creating a WhatsApp chatbot for our retail banking branch business, so here I am providing a name, here I provided. Now I'll give you a quick review about these two options, messages and action. Under the messages you can see different buttons are there, as well as under the action you can see different buttons are there. We will use these buttons in the creation of our flow. Here on the right hand side you can see two options are there. The one is active inactive button and the another is save button. With the help of this button your flow will be updated. Now let's get started. There are the three ways to start your flow. The one is keywords, the second is regex and the third is choose template. Keywords are the manually entered words that I expect that my user sends to me. The second one is the regex. Regex stands for regular expression. It can extract useful data from inputs such as email, phone number, order number, etc. You can also enable this toggle if you want to activate some specific feature or behavior into your chatbot. The third one is the choose template, in where you can create multiple templates and choose with the help of this button and upload it from here. Basically, templates are used for those type of conversation that were started by your side. I am creating this WhatsApp chatbot with the help of regex. So here I am entering the regex. Here I write it. With the help of this regex, your bot will respond to any message of your client that they were sent to your WhatsApp business account of retail banking branch. After that, now I want to write one welcome message for my client. For that, I am clicking on this text button. It will provide me one enter message box. I'll drag this box here and writing a message. Here I write it. See, at the end of this message, I'll ask my client that how can we assist you today. So for answering this, I am providing them some buttons. By clicking on this plus add button, it will provide me one enter text box where I can write my first button as loan services. The second button I'll write as branch hours. And the third button I'll write as talk to banker. Now I am connecting the starting point of my flow to the welcome message I wrote for my clients. By clicking on this circle, drag a line and connect this line to this circle. Here our flow starting point is connected to our message. Now if my clients wants to know about the loan services that I am providing to them, then they will click on this button. So my bot will respond to them. For that I am clicking on this circle, drag a line, choose content type as text plus button. It will provide me one enter message box where I can write my respond message. Here I write it. At the end of this message you can see I'll write please choose an option to get started. So I am providing them three options by clicking on this plus add button 3 times. See, here I write it, that is personal loan, home loan and business loan. If my clients wants to know about the personal loan, then they will click on this button. So my bot will respond to them. For that I am clicking on this circle which are present in front of personal loan, drag a line, choose content type as text plus button. It will provide me one enter message box where I can write all the details about personal loan. Here I am also giving them one button, that is talk to banker. Here I write it. After that the next one is the home loan. If my clients wants to know the details about home loan, then they will click on this button, then my bot will respond to them. For that I am clicking on this circle, drag a line, choose content type as text plus button. It will provide me one enter message box where I can write all the details about home loan. Here I write it. In this also I am giving them one button, that is talk to banker. Here I provided. Now the third one is the business loan. If my clients wants to know more details about business loan, then they will click on this button. So my bot will respond to them. For that I am again clicking on this circle, drag a line, choose content type as text plus button. It will provide me one enter message box where I can write all the details about this business loan. Here I write it, also giving one button, that is talk to banker. Now the next one is the branch hours. If my clients wants to know about the opening hours of my banking branch, then they will click on this button. Then my bot will provide them the timing details. For that, I'm clicking on this circle, drag a line, choose content type as text plus button. It will provide me one enter message box where I can write all the details about branch hours. See, here I write it. After that, the third one is the talk to banker. If my clients wants to directly contact with my retail banking branch, then they will click on this button. So my bot will respond to them. For that, I'm clicking on this circle, drag a line, choose content type as text plus button. The steps are very simple and similar. Now I am writing the contact details of my retail banking branch. See, here I write it. Now I am also connecting this circle which are present in front of talk to banker to this message, as whenever my clients will click on this talk to banker option, then my bot will provide them the contact details of my retail banking branch business. I am connecting this circle also and this too. Here our flow is completed. So basically this is the final look of our flow for creating a WhatsApp chatbot for your retail banking branch business. After the completion of your flow, you have to click on this button, save button, so that your flow will be updated. This bot will automatically respond to your clients like this. It will provide them all the necessary details you want to share with them, such as the services, branching hours, and required contact information. This bot is created without requiring any coding or programming skills. It is only possible with the help of Pabbly Chatflow.
So thank you for watching this video. Not only this, you can create multiple types of WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. If you have any doubt, then you can email us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, then you can text us at forum.pabbly.com. If you want to know the price details about Pabbly Chatflow, then you can visit www.pabbly.com/chatflow. So go and create your Pabbly Chatflow account and start creating your first WhatsApp chatbot for free.